Yo, what's good, guys? This is Arcade Mason. I'm gonna be seeing some fireworks. We're currently on our way. We don't really know when they start this kind of fireworks. They don't really advertise it at all. But we're thinking it's 9:30. By the time, less than a minute till bug get away. Sorry, bug fell. Bug fell. I hate bugs. But yeah, I'll pause the video till we're there. We might miss some fireworks too. Okay, they just started. We made it in time. That's them. Sorry. 0.5, sorry. That was them. Starting. We'll be fine on there. Okay, they paused. They're literally right where that smoke is. I want to head down towards the front. You can pause. Pause be a test. I'm missing them.
You can stand over there if you want to.
I'm good. Right here is good. Oh, that swirl. Okay, zoom in. There we go. We're literally rather close to them, guys. Hello, Dakota. Oh, boy.
So, we pull in the driveway and we're walking around to get in the other car and I said, hey, look at that. There was a mouse sitting on top of the battery. Oh my goodness. Really? I have a mouse story too. I got up in the middle of the night last night.
More.
And I was like, I was going to the bathroom and I stepped on something. I was like, oh, I stepped on the cat's foot.
It's definitely not them, guys. I'll pause, show there's more.
Like,
As you can tell, I'm filming them.
How are you?
Good.
Good.
Yeah. I'm missing these parts. Yeah, I mean, I possibly won't have the same classes as her. But we'll see. No, I want to. I'm gonna miss some fireworks since they keep taking very long pauses, which is not what I want. Yeah, it's still pretty bright back there, but if you look back here, boom, darkness. So much be setting that way, so it's getting pretty close. See what I mean? Getting missed fireworks. There we go. We're good. Ooh, that was loud and bright.
You should have heard it earlier. There, just I don't know what was down there. We were shaking it.
We're up. Okay.
Well, falling over. Just kind of constantly. Can't cut anything else. Back there. I don't think that was there, so.
Yeah, I'm like,
Back there, not over here.
but the Whistler was pretty good.
Yeah.
You're right. That came from
They're just trying to find everything down there. If you can see where those lights are, I can't really see where that green light is. That's where they are. Okay. I could see one getting lit. That's why I started filming way before. You could see the flame. Should have went down there by now. I'm dead. They just let these sit out in the rain. Okay, they're lighting another one. They gotta kind of move though. Okay, that one's staying lit. Oh, pop crack one. Yeah, I think that's. Oh, I caught that one somehow. Here we go. It could be them over there.
Yeah.
I'm into that shit too, so I'm talking shit on it.
Why? You do them to stop. Yeah, they definitely don't have a lot of fireworks.
Yeah,
They have
whenever
big
they
already. Yeah, I'm kind of scared because we just had a big old explosion move all the way. Of people coming in on the road. It's gonna be right here. Right down there. They had a big old explosion happen, which I'm very surprised about. I better not get knocked over by that car. That's gonna murder me. Well, not actually. We're good. Yeah, I know. Yeah, they literally had a big old, they had a big old explosion happen, and I got it off camera because I was not expecting it. It was loud. I felt the shockwave instantly. My heart stopped. It was so loud. Well, my heart didn't actually stop, but it scared the life out of me. Why I don't like to get scared. It's always Halloween for me. Seems like that might be them too.
No, it's somebody else who just said.
You,
It's one of those houses over there.
but there, I feel like it's this there almost. Oh, I gotta watch out. We're good. Okay, I'm gonna film. We got more.
They were, you know what?
Got a house back there, like there's some kind of like that might be
Had
them.
any trouble, and then
He's gonna explode again. Car on their way. I'm done. I'm done.
Yeah.
I think it was one of them.
Yeah, bigger, yeah.
I'm just getting nervous now for the next explosion.
And I was like,
So you see all the smoke, fireworks. This is actually the best spot. It's the most open area here. I don't understand why they have these fountains and everything. Stupid. Okay, they're lighting another firework down there. Are you joking me? Those stop teasing us. The fountain. Dang fountains. Gosh. Surreal. Are they just teasing us? See them barely back. They just have to do something. It's pitch black behind us, but still pretty bright in front of us. The sun's still setting that way. On my phone, it looks like it's still a bit daytime. Like, you can see how dark that is. Like, no, like you can't even see no shit.
really, but it's like all up in the
Move, we got cars. I'll hold me, my mother. I don't know how to keep a balance. Oh, Chuck carrying a big boat. Yeesh. Back there, those kind of got me. I got so scared. I was from that entire time, sorry. Thought that they lit one. I'll watch those ones at least. Because they have to be waiting till 10 or something.
That's what Lexi said.
But they're still lighting ones. Like, look. You can see what that. Why I don't like.
Lexi's like,
Yeah, they're doing fireworks back there quicker than over here.
oh, I see it. I see it.
Yeah, these fireworks are pretty long. I'm gonna turn my phone again. Sorry, I remembered how it works. But yeah, literally, this is definitely the slowest that this area has been. We only live like a minute away from it. This is definitely the slowest they've done for here. Yeah. But. I think this is better. You didn't get me.
So this are the neighbors.
I know, but still.
So they got a lighter going down there.
Yeah, I know. Light more. Please just actually light.
Yeah.
Actually light. That flame should be a firework.
I think like that by 10 points.
Nice.
Went up and grabbed the other car and came back down.
You think for Yeah, thanks for letting us know the day.
Yeah, it's funny.
Wait a second. Mom, take a look at what they're lighting off. Yes, it's not a firework, it's a lantern. I had to take a closer look. That's what you call a lantern. They're gonna send that up. Oh my, watch, there it goes. There it goes. Look at that, there, it's going up, it's a lantern. You just light the bottom on fire, don't worry, it still goes up. But wow. Jeez! Oh, I can't stand this. They're exploding in the tube. I'm distracted. Maybe that's why they're setting them up, for hope that there should be no more. Oh, yes, there's a lantern. That's in the tube.
And then we'll start walking.
These are in the tube.
I'm paranoid, like it's gonna give out on me.
Yes, they're exploding in the actual tube, Eli. No, they're supposed to go up. Yeah. Wow, there's a lot of fireworks down there.
Only fireworks I know are the fireworks launchers.
But they're up there still. Something had to have
I
happened.
hope it doesn't fall on someone's house and burn it down.
This is dangerous. I'm kind of like, yeah, what are you doing? Number 4 in the tube. Yeah, Eli, they're supposed to go out of the tube, but explode in the air, like a normal firework.
I only know fireworks
But
from
again, I'm.
This is our only.
I don't know what's going on. They're just exploding in the tube. When it's, I don't know what is going on. This is not fireworks.
You know.
What are they doing? What are they doing? Just exploding them? Well, at least we got a fire station nearby. Eli, we're lucky that we got a fire station nearby. Right over there.
Unluckily, it's right here.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, of course, 911 needs to be on speed dial. I'm insane. What are they doing? I'm just gonna pause. Missed one. Are you kidding me? I missed it. I wasn't ready for that. I missed it. That one was a good one from them. It's like one of the only good ones. Lighting them again. They must have just exploded the ones that, well, that they knew they were bad. Were bad.
Are there any camps this year for him? I just got done with 3 weeks of
Oh,
I saw that.
nice.
I did see that.
That image. Oh, back there.
our church camp because he was at the one where he goes there.
I try and film, but I'm gonna miss fireworks. I see a lit one down there that's not really one to light.
Next week, like a week from now.
Where you guys going?
If they're trying to light it, you can see that one little orange.
Good.
Yeah, y'all can see that one orange. That's where it is, that they're lighting it. Oh man, hey, I'm just surprised it. Oh, got hurt during that time. We got a car coming. That lantern is gone. The lantern gone. Oh, wait! They're lighting another one! What are they? Why are they? Somehow to happen.
Or just the three of you going?
No.
They're lighting another lantern. Okay, this must be the grand finale. Wow.
So we don't have to look up so high. Like,
No, we're good. I'm fine.
let me just stand back here with Daddy.
Fine. Oh gosh, it's kind of lagging. Sorry. That one's low. The box is on fire. Sheesh. I missed that one. It's lagging. I'm gonna turn it. Sorry. That's better. I'm trying it 0.5. Should fix it. There we go. Sorry about that lag. Should be able to work like this now. Sorry. was up there. There was at 10. We had some mishaps. So I kept it. We're still gonna keep the video. Yeah. Okay, I'll back up with you. Yeah, they finally started it. This is a start. They had many mishaps.
So loud.
Yeah, I'm good. Don't.
Find the wall here.
You're scaring me, Dad. I don't. I'm giving never start. They're too loud.
That's a long drop.
I don't like to be leaning. I don't like to lean. I like to stand. You hold me, Ma. You hold me. What? She said 10. Those aren't straight down. Jeez. They finally started it at least. Yeah, at least they finally decided to start it. Yeah. But hey, at least they finally decided to start and stop playing with us. They must have wanted to scare us a bit. I mean, they got me all the time. Smells like fireworks.
Like black powder.
Yeah. Yeah, you like the smell. Makes me think of fireworks. No grand finale? I'll show you that right there, I guess. There we go. I'm so expecting one of them to get onto the road. Should have had the TV playing before we left.
Far enough away.
Yeah, you know, I like hanging on the bridge. I can't look up any higher than that. The smoke, I see it. Standing right for us. Look, that's all smoke.
All the ash.
Sheesh. Those were definitely fireworks. Yeah, I don't like the lean because it makes me scared. If I slip, I'm falling. Come on. Right here is a good distance. Wait, what? Yeah, 10 clocks when it started. Boom! Perfectly timed. I said boom as it exploded. Anything gonna hit the road like it was at the Triple Carnival?
Right.
That was funny though. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that scared me a lot. Since those booms. Those are pretty. All the smoke is going up and around the bridge. It's killing me because I'm wearing sandals. I only feel sauce happening. I'm just letting us see. There's fireworks behind me. Okay. That's loud. I'm gonna go deaf by the end of this. Whoo! Here's Bert. Those back ones, actually. We're getting some 2 fireworks shows. I don't know how to name this one. What? Yeesh. So loud and powerful. Turns to shy red. That's a weird laugh. Yeah, I know it feels long, but they literally like just started the fireworks. Like other times, you're just false tricking us. Oh. Oh, flashing up there. Can't really look up high because of my fear of heights. I definitely can't go up high. I don't know. Possibly give us a second show. Wow, perfectly timed again for last 2. Boom, boom. I'm getting the perfect time. These are going up too high for me. It's time for me to look at my phone. It's literally time for me to look at my phone. Fear of heights gets me, I'm leaving. I can't look up that high because of my fear of heights. Talking about the fear of heights. Wow, that's way up there. Yeah, look up that high. We are still pretty high up here, so yeah, because of the bridge. Definitely not grand finale time. That I can see. Tree's blocking us.
What kind of car did you get?
My voice is going.
You got a HEADPHONE. I got it.
Train! Train gets to watch it. What's louder, fireworks or trains?
The train blows up or not.
Depends. That's possibly why they saw. Never mind. Fireworks are louder. Those are pretty low. There we go. That was a good one. The train's trying to slow down. What if the train will blow up? Will the train blow up or not? Yes or no? I doubt it. I can hear the train. The train's celebrating with us. That's the train celebrating. Wow, celebrating with us. That's up there. I can even. You better be tall. Oh, that was low. I'm not gonna be able to see. Maybe here it is. Yes, my fire. That one with eyes I've looked. I'm sure. That's definitely pretty low. Woo! I wonder what makes them explode. Like, I'm meaning explode after they're out of the... Well, after they're out of the...
Oh, the second time? After they shoot up and then explode?
Don't tell me that's it.
Yeah. Take your time, relax.
No, okay, I just put a pause. Whoa, that was cool. You can hear those. I can't really up any higher. My phone's doing the best job for me. These are going up really high. Can't stand them. That's like my fear fights.
Yeah, oh yeah, peace.
What are the
Take one
pieces?
for the team.
I'm good. Oh gosh, I'm falling for that one. That was a big shockwave. Oh gosh. Shaking too. I literally went down. We're ready to close. My fear fights are still. That's far in long. That's good height. There, oh, cat, nope. Gotta look up there. Train did not explode. Bop over there. That's. I'd like them to go a bit lower, please. Right there is good. That was low. Yeah, when a car is on their way, I gotta be careful. Boom. Split. I wonder if I'll get it with one soon.
I can pick this one up and
Hey. Let me even see. Well, oh gosh, missed out. Sorry. Here's what they look like. Collection. Put that down. He's trying to light it again. I can't get in. I'm falling over from the shockwave. I already know the name. I'm not gonna tell y'all. You know, I see it, ain't it? Okay, they're supposed to go longer. I need those getting along. My feet are on fire. Not dude. I'm gonna be. That's going for us. Oh, I think I'm hearing them at the bridge. I mean, that's pretty high. Never get me. The most I've gotten. Ah, I had gotten hit by a piece. That's about red level for me. I'm itchy. Sorry if I'm getting shaky. I'm just itchy and I'm nervous because of how high they're going. Okay, can you slow down? Thank you. I got hit with one. I got hit with one. That was right on me. By my arm. Ah. I'm okay, right? Did go in me? That hit me. That was insane. One hit me. You're next, Dad. Slow down. I got hit with another one. Yeah, I got hit with two so far. I'm in the appropriate spot. Jeez, I can't handle those. Those, I'm gonna get hit by one. I am nervous. I'm getting so shaky now. It's not the grand finale. He got off much crazier. They're going off a lot. Jeez. Whew. Whew. That's good.
The neighbors gave up.
Neighbors gave up. Neighbors gave up. Whoa! That one was like insane on the tube. I'm getting hit by these. I'm getting hit by these pieces. Ah, I get burned. Talk about that. I'm just so ready to. Where'd that piece go that hit me? That's not it. Can't end it like that. That was not a real grand finale. That one was way up there. Sorry. Hopefully you're still getting it. Oh, it is. It's way higher for me. Like, geez. I can't really look at these. These are insanely high. They moved on to the insanely high. I can't look up to the top of the earth. I'm watching through my phone. I'm gonna be getting over the lot. Good, keep exploding there, please. We're there. Not up there. I can't, right out of the tube.
Anyone gets it blows up down there.
Right out of the tube. Don't worry, we're used to this. And these are trained experts, so don't worry. I mean, you can't predict how they come out. I'm just trying to find the piece. Yeah, I know I got hit with one. Damn. Oh. Perfect. Generally impressed. I was too scared to say it. Fight's just. This should be an hour-long video. Yes, make sure y'all grab some popcorn. So y'all fierce and grab some popcorn. I was expecting this video to be 36 minutes long. It's not how long Fireworks are going for. I just included some early ones and some mishaps. That was a real low one. I could see right through the tree. I'll be fish focused. Yep. Okay. That one was up there. I see that one. Pretty high up there. I'm running over. Sorry, I'm just shaking. No, I'm good. Yeah.
What's the music?
I don't know. Ah. Okay, is that it actually? No. Those crackles are loud when you're up this close. Christmas colors, red and green. Yeah. I have to look up pretty high. That's how I get out of your comfort zone. Watch gonna have to look up. I see the grand finale, so I'm good. I don't really know I can name this again. Well, of course, by the time that this gets pushed, I'll have an idea on the name. But what would choose the name? Those are low. Jeez, I'm not being able to talk. I'm not able to talk. Wow. I'm highly gonna get hit. Please be up that like finale. And we got some low ones. 2 cards coming at once. Oh me. Gotta go. Nice. Comes another train. Will this train explode? Yes, no. I'm getting hit. Oh my. I can't get sure of it. Train's supporting us. The train's supporting us too. Here's basically all the smoke. We're in smoker. This is gonna be like an hour-long video. That's all smoke over there. We're in the cloud of smoke. Show about your inhaler, Ma. Here we go. That was the grand finale? Okay. Everyone's clapping up here and below. No. We're out of the smoke. Wow. It's pitch black. I felt down my heart. This sucks. This is the grand finale because I can barely hear. My ears. Okay, they're still going. I feel those ones in my heart. Is that it? That can't be the grand finale. No. Yeah. They're doing it again. It got so dark. Sorry if you pay attention to it. I don't think that's it. Yep, I called it. That's way up there. Get one free second. I can't look up that high. These are going up too high. Those are going up way too high. We're like under the firework. I can't look. I cannot watch. I'm getting too nervous.
Why not?
I can't. This is too high for me. Oh, one landed over there. I think I gotta leave with one too. This is too high. No. I can't. I can't look up. Phone, it's you. Your turn, phone. These are too high.
You're definitely 6 inches more.
think these are like 25 feet extra high. They got the higher fireworks. We're under the fireworks. I don't know the name of this video. Oh, why landed right by Eli? I cannot look up. Their speech is falling onto the bridge. Wow, that's pretty. Definitely not it. That can't be it. I mean, yeah. But that can't be it. Those were high, but that can't be it.
That was good.
Okay, that's it, I guess. Please tell me that was it. Yeah, that must have been it. Well, that's basically all the fireworks. I'm gonna try and keep going for as long as I can. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Like, I'm surprised at that. No! Good thing I didn't end.
Right.
Here's the grand finale. I'm gonna be death. I like that. That's cool. They go. Jeez, those are loud. That's cool. Burn it down. That's making me laugh like crazy. Finales. It's like, nope, you aren't done yet. What's the real Reverend out? I've done finales. They still.
Face area.
What? I think that one's supposed to happen over there. Same. I'm watching. Y'all missed some and I went far.
When the tube falls out.
Talk about marks. Yeah, talk about marks, Dad. I thought that was a good. gotta add you a peanut. Watch. That was like the 5th finale. Okay, that should have been it. But man, that was long. See, oh, that was long. My foot is killing me and everything. Man, I'm impressed. Well, for my filming, like, it's 50 minutes.
10:37, so.
37 minutes. Yeah. Whew. But yeah, that was the fireworks. My foot's killing me now from standing like that, being all nervous. There's so much. So we walked over here. Okay, it's done for real. I can hear everyone cheering. My foot is part of it. That's part of it, I think. The rest of that's paint. No, this right here, I think is part of it. I think we found a piece.
Yes.
Wow, found a piece of it. Yeah, over here it's gonna be all messy for a bit. But that's basically it. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry that the video ended up being so long. I wasn't expecting it to be this long, and I'm keeping this piece. Yeah, I was not expecting it to be this long. I'm sorry. But peace out, chat. Love y'all. Hit that noti button and subscribe button. Now you should see my next video should possibly be by the carnival, which is like the 15th to the 20th almost. Yeah, 15th to like the 20th. Yeah. But I might also film on the 13th. But in your own sheet. But peace out, chat. Love y'all. Hit that noti button. Don't leave! Don't leave! Everyone's stopping. They got me. I heard them. It's like, okay. I'm staying over here. I'm not heading back over. That must have been an extra. Now that should be it. That was an extra that they found. What? Okay. Yeah. That was definitely an extra. I can see the cars pulling out. But peace out, chat. Love y'all. Thanks for watching.